Hello, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I will be sharing you how to add a portfolio on Upwork. To add a portfolio to your Upwork profile, follow these steps. First, access your profile. Then, navigate to Portfolio section. On your profile page, scroll down and click on Portfolio. Now, you have to add project details. The first one is enter the title of your project. Provide a detailed description of the project. Specify the project category and relevant skills used. Now the next step is to choose template. Select a visual theme that best represents your project. Now add project details and files. Include various details about the project such as the client name, your role, and the duration of the project. Upload relevant project files, including images, documents, or link that demonstrate your work. And then review and publish. Smash that like, share, and subscribe button. And thank you for watching.